Is it the right time to buy or sell the TQQQ ETF? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into TQQQ. We've already shared our initial report on our website, but now we're back with an even more detailed analysis just for you. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest analysis. Staying updated is crucial when it comes to making informed investment decisions. Boost your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4. Visit StockInvest.us to tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 2, 2023, our system has identified TQQQ as a strong buy candidate, with a score of 4.25. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 21.35% since we first recommended TQQQ as a buy candidate 17 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.26% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned at the upper part of a wide and horizontal trend. Typically, this would be a good selling opportunity. However, if the ETF breaks through the top trend line at $44.73, it could signal a strong buy opportunity and indicate a shift in the trend. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 1.03% change expected over the next 3 months. The possible return during this period ranges from -28.87% to 2.59%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 83.95% change over the next year. The potential return within this timeframe ranges from 37.76% to 131.96%. This suggests that the price could range from $60.68 to $102.18 after a year. Our latest update for TQQQ highlights that the ETF price ended at $44.05 on Monday, reflecting a decrease of 0.294%. On the last day, Monday, November 27, 2023, the TQQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 0.294%, dropping from $44.18 to $44.05. Throughout the trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.23%, ranging from a low of $43.77 to a high of $44.74. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 8.05% and has shown upward movement in 6 out of the last 10 days. Although the volume of shares traded rose by 28 million on the last day, it occurred alongside falling prices. This could be considered an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $2.64 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 60 million shares traded. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached by the ETF was $47.14, while the lowest price was $16.10. Currently, the price is 6.55% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of $3.09. Furthermore, it stands at 76.92% below the all-time high, which was reached on January 8, 2021, with a price of $190.88. Here are the signals identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal when the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, there is support at $43.93 and $38.36. However, if the stock falls below these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also gives a buy signal. Nevertheless, a few negative signals have also been observed, which may impact the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, November 20, 2023, resulting in a decline of -1.45% so far. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Notably, volume increased during the decline, which could be an early warning sign to closely monitor the ETF. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicator is showing a buy signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal 22 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 19 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal 14 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average suggests a buy signal 18 days ago. The long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal 12 days ago. Similarly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages is showing a buy signal 2 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ, an ETF, has some key support levels that we need to keep an eye on. Right below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $37.35 and $35.70. It's important to note that there is always a risk involved when an ETF tests a support level. If the support is broken, the ETF may then fall to the next support level. In this case, for TQQQ, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $35.70 and $34.47. Now, let's talk about the risk associated with TQQQ. This ETF can be quite volatile, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for TQQQ, classifying it as a high-risk ETF. Just to give you an idea, in the last day alone, TQQQ moved 98 cents between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 2.23% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility for TQQQ has been 2.58%. Today, we're going to dive into potential day trading levels for TQQQ. If the market trend is upward, keep an eye on the first resistance level for TQQQ, which sits at $44.18. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if the market takes a downturn, TQQQ will encounter its first support level at $37.35. Should this support level hold, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $42.77, which represents a decrease of 2.91%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily movements, which in turn brings about a higher level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is currently at 78, further increasing the overall risk. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed 4 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that TQQQ ETF may present a buying opportunity in the short term. Multiple short-term signals are positive, indicating a potential for strong performance. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Tuesday, November 28, we anticipate TQQQ to open up $0.135 and begin trading at $44.19. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. Therefore, it's advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. Today, we're taking a closer look at the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for the ETF? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at StockInvest.